Yo, what is good everybody on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel here at The Dad Life. I hope everyone is having a blessed day. As you guys can see, I have a special guest. You guys are wondering who this is. This is actually my baby niece, Lynn. Say hi. Introduce yourself.
What am I supposed to do?
She is kind of shy, just bear with us. This is actually her first time in front of the camera. Like I said, I think you guys probably seen her in a couple of my vlogs, but you guys rarely see her. But anyways, in today's segment, she honestly doesn't know what's gonna happen in this video. So in this video, I'm gonna give her the Travis Scott ones, and I'm gonna have her tell me what she thinks about this sneaker, and as well as rating this sneaker, and as well as finally having her guess how much the shoe is worth. So let me know how you guys think this is gonna turn out. Are you excited about the video?
Yeah.
Are you nervous? Alright, like I said guys, bear with us. She is kind of nervous. So let's go ahead and just show her the sneaker. These are called the Travis Scott ones. You know who Travis Scott is?
No.
You don't know who Travis Scott is? You know who Kylie Jenner is? So this is Kylie Jenner's boyfriend. Go ahead and let's go ahead and just take the sneaker out. The sneaker obviously comes with a bunch of other color shoelaces. Not a lot of people has had their hands on the sneaker, okay? So I'm letting you know that this is a very limited sneaker. It was kind of limited, but it was just very hyped. So in your opinion, what would you rate this sneaker 0 to 10?
A 6.
A 6? Oh, yo! So, she rated the Jordan Travis Scott ones a 6.
6.5.
And a half. Okay, even better. 6.5. So we're going somewhere with this. Anyways, let's go ahead and get straight into having her guess how much the sneakers are worth. So, what do you think the resale price is? If I went to go sell this, how much do you think this sneaker would be worth?
$450?
$450 for the Travis Scott ones. And let me go ahead and go on StockX and tell you guys actually how much this sneaker is worth right now on StockX. So obviously for this size is a size 8 Travis Scott ones, $2,338.
What?
When I first bought this sneaker, I actually bought it for $1,500, and now looking at it today, the value is at $2,338 buckaroos, guys. Like, that is a lot of money. I am really happy that I actually bought it sooner than later. If you wear a size 10 to a 12 or a 13, honestly, buy them now, because value is all it's gonna do is go up as of right now. And it's crazy how the money sizes, you guys know I have the money sizes 8 to 9.5 are like literally the money sizes to $2,000. But like I said guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you guys like this video if you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys are subscribed if you're new here, and make sure you guys enter my back to school giveaway. It will end next week Friday, and I'll be announcing the giveaway winner on August 30th, or I think 31st. But anyways, all that information will be down in the description below. Do you want to say anything to the YouTubers?
Bye.
Bye. But anyways, like I said guys, if you guys enjoy this video and do all that stuff, and like I said, this is The Dad Life signing in, signing out.
Peace.
Peace. Yes. High five.